Vlogmas is a creator putting out a new video every single day leading up to Christmas from December 1st. Well, it depends on who you are. For me, from December 1st to December 25th. It was a huge hit last year, did very well for me, and I started off last year's Vlogmas with a garage cleanup. And we're gonna start this year the same way. I think I'm convinced that you can't be in this business and have a clean garage. You just can't. And if you do, it's for all of like 5 minutes. I think last time the clean garage lasted 2 days before I went to auction and filled it back up. But you could be different. Let me know in the comments down below. We don't have much more time. Or let me rephrase that. We don't have much more sunlight left. My plan of action, if it's a project piece, it goes in the project pile. If it's basically ready to go to the booth, then it needs to go in the booth pile. I want to watch White Lotus. I don't want to do this right now. I got this at auction like a few months ago, and I keep forgetting to like take it upstairs to my office. Very old antique pincushion. It's got a swan on it. There's the top. I don't collect anything specifically, but the little antique pincushions are really intriguing to me right now, and I picked this one up and I'm keeping it for myself. This also got at auction. I don't know why I like it. I think with the right shade it could look really cool. I could see this in a cabin, or if you're just like lover of nature. I know it's weird. You can stop writing that comment. I'm aware. Now this is very special. Huge part of my childhood. This was in the basement of my Nana and Papa's house, and we used to play with it as kids when we would go visit them. Really taught us a lot of great lessons growing up, like how to gamble. Never getting rid of this piece ever. It'll just float around from family member to family member in perpetuity. So taking a break to show you guys the sunset. Back to work. The next day, and I'm filming something else today for tomorrow's vlog, but I was so tired last night. It probably hit around 11:30, and I was just like, that's enough. I'm done. I'm not doing any more cleaning right now. I need to go to sleep. This has turned into more of just a reorganizing situation so I can have a better idea of what's in here, get all the trash out, anything that I'm gonna donate. I'm gonna learn how to correctly wrap an extension cord today. Look, I YouTubed it. We're gonna click on the shortest video, put the ends together. We tie a loose knot to start the cord, and then we start folding the cord. Hold on. Put the ends together, do a loose knot. Right. Folding it underneath. And then we just do that over and over. Oh, okay, we're getting somewhere. It doesn't look right, but it feels right. It's the ugliest method. It works, I guess. We're going for progress, not perfection. Now I can actually function in the space, get some work done, and not feel like I need to burn the whole house down. Thank you guys for watching Vlogmas Day 2. I hope you enjoyed watching me clean the garage. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.